Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a Mailchimp email campaign. Whether you're cleaning up old drafts or removing outdated content, this process will help you keep your campaign's dashboard organized and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website by typing mailchimp.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready so you can access your campaign's dashboard. After logging in, look to the left sidebar menu and click on Campaigns. This will take you directly to your campaign's dashboard, where you can view a complete list of all your email campaigns, including drafts, scheduled emails, and sent campaigns. This is your central hub for managing all your email marketing efforts. Now browse through your campaigns list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific campaign you want to delete. The search function is especially helpful if you have a large number of campaigns and need to find one quickly. Once you've found the campaign, click the drop-down arrow located next to the campaign name. This will reveal a menu with several options for managing that particular campaign. From the menu options, select Delete. This is the option that will remove the campaign from your account entirely. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Read this message carefully, as it's reminding you that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Once a campaign is deleted, you won't be able to recover it, so make sure you're certain about removing it. To proceed, confirm the deletion by clicking Delete again in the pop-up window. This second confirmation ensures you don't accidentally remove a campaign you intended to keep. Wait for Mailchimp to complete the deletion process. This usually happens instantly, and the campaign will disappear from your list. If you need to delete multiple campaigns at once, there's a faster method. Click the checkbox on the left side of each campaign name you want to remove. Once you've selected all the campaigns, look at the top right part of the menu where you'll see a trash bin icon with the word delete next to it. Click on it and all selected campaigns will be removed in one go. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Mailchimp email campaign and freed up space in your dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.